Hey guys, it's Butterfly. Welcome back to Flex and Butterfly, where we literally do everything. So today, because Halloween's right around the corner, or like October's right around the corner, I'm going to go to YouTube to find like DIYs and figure out what I can do just by shut my room. Cause it's a holiday. I like to decorate for the holiday. Okay, I'm not sure how this is like going to be as in speed wise. It looks like my picture is skipping. Catch up. Basically what I want to say is that at the time of filming the screen, I did not know that my picture was delayed. So all that was deleted. Don't worry, you guys don't have to deal with all that.
Hey guys, so for this eyeball, all you need are 4 pieces of white paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't know how many glue sticks, hot glue sticks, and of course your hot glue gun. Okay, it's not fully heated. So what you're going to do is find the middle one. So what you're gonna do, fold those ones that you already made and fold them in half. Alright, so here's new 4 strips. So, find the middle, put hot glue there, and find the middle and place it. Careful not to get hot glue. If you do, that's okay. It's just a bit sticky. And then hot glue it up again. And then next, this is gonna look good. Now I'm kind of curious. Alright, and again, what you're going to do is grab this, so where that is, and then pull them up, fold it so that way you know where to put it, hot glue it, and place it. Boom. Just like that. Alright, so here is our new little ball thingy. It looks okay, honestly. I would probably color this side. Okay. So that's how that looks. Now, we have to add the red vein eyes thingies, whatever those things are called. Here, some yarn. Just going to, alright, then fray it like these strands and pull them apart, make it look loose, loosey-goosey. Alright, looks like there are 4. So, what I suppose you do is, you get some glue, like, all up around here. And then you just place your strands on to make it kind of look spooky. Alright, then I suppose you just like dab it on so that way it's more like blood. I don't know, I've never done this thing before. It looks pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to glue it right here. Hello. So that way it is connected to this and I can hang it. And I'm picturing maybe 3 or 4 of these strands. Jeez, I'm gluing my finger to my project. Okay, and there's your eyeball with all those veins in the back. Now, that was just the tutorial for them. Now, I am going to make a lot more. You can make as many as you want. And you can put them wherever. That's the fun part about art, again. So yeah, that was just the tutorial. Now I have to go and make more of those because I want a lot hanging from my doorway. So peace out, and see you guys when we're decorating some more. Alright guys, this might be a pretty fast. Hopefully not so fast that I screw up though, because my camera is at, what did it say, 28, 29? So I'm gonna make a skull this time. A pretty big one, because I found out that I thought the candy corn was big. It ended kind of small. So, kind of want a bigger skull. And I'm sure if you chose to do like a black shirt, you can make a black cat. So basically what I'm getting at from this, like what I learned from this, is that you can do basically any, because it's like easy. that that mouth is really small. We'll do right there. Okay, that's good. That's good. Is the camera die yet? No. Okay, good. Now we're done. Put my scissors. Got them. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut this whole thing out. The camera might die in the middle of this, so apology ahead of time. Alright, there it is. Wow, camera didn't die. That means it's probably about to. Yes, it looks kind of jagged, but I mean, that part's gonna be on the inside. So, work's still good. Alright, so now it's gluing time. Okay, maybe I'm gonna leave this, the part where I stuff the stuffing. Now let me go grab the stuffing and we'll stuff it up. Hey guys. How are you guys? Okay, anyways, let's get serious. Alright, so I'm stuffing it up. Camera's at like 15, I think it said. I know. I think I said. Oh wait, I didn't even fold it. Or unfold it, whatever. That would have been sad. Boom. Spread it, fluff it, make it poofy. Alright, I did it. The camera didn't even die. I'd say this is the pretty side. Oh snap. Okay, I don't know what side this is the pretty one. There's another pillow. Alright, I'm going to let the camera charge now. So catch you guys up when probably bedtime. Change of plans. I decided to just get this done. I blew out my candle if you're wondering what all that smoke stuff is. Alright, there it is. Before the camera dies. Boom. Don't worry, I'm going to fix them teeth. But camera's about to die. So, peace out, guys. Hey, guys. So, at the time of filming that video, I did not know that... Well, I mean, should have known, but I didn't know that it's going to be like a 3-part video. So, that was just part 1. Stay tuned for, I want to say tomorrow, maybe a week later. I'm not sure right now. But, so, I guess there's going to be about 4, maybe, DIY videos of Halloween decorations. So stay tuned for all that galore.